Sometimes we have to work very precisely and in detail. It's particularly difficult when there is a little something in the middle of the freshly painted picture and we cannot support our hand. The hand has to float and it's always traveling a little. There is a simple trick to do this. The painting stick. This is a round rod about 1 meter long, with a thickening made of linen or leather at one end. So simply rub the fabric around the end of the rod in the form of a ball and secure it with adhesive tape or rope. The stick serves as a hand rest when painting and provides support for the hand. If you paint for several hours a day, your arm will hang in the air the whole time and you will quickly get neck pain. Our teacher taught us the trick in my professional time training and we made our own crayons. We got simple round sticks from him and wound balls on them ourselves. Everyone has created their own paint stick. Back then we had to paint a lot of technical pictures. Oh, it was a great time. Have fun painting and see you next trick.